Hey guys, it's Cameron and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the workout routine. A lot of people have requested it on Instagram. If you don't follow me, you should follow me there. But we're going to start out with a 5-minute warm-up. I do this on the stair climber at a 6 interval. You can do this on elliptical machines, whatever you use to warm up. But after that, I follow with squats. So I do 80 pounds. You can start out with whatever weight you're comfortable with. I do 3 sets of 12. The higher your pounds are, the less reps you're probably going to want to do, and the lower your pounds is, the more reps you're going to want to do. Then after that exercise, I do the inner and outer hip abductions. This is going to help you get that rounder booty. So I do 60 pounds and I do 3 sets of 15. This is a really difficult exercise, so my form is not perfect, but I do try my best. For the inner hip abductions, I did lower it down like 5 pounds just because my inner thighs are not that strong. But they're gonna be one day. Then after that, we're doing the 70-pound leg kickbacks. I do 3 sets of 10 reps. I started out at 30. I try and increase my weight at least 5 to 10 pounds every 2 to 3 days. I brought Mia along with me to show like beginner, like her just coming to the gym. She doesn't really go that often. So these are easy, simple exercises that you can do.
You're not doing it right. I'm kidding, go.
And then I did hip thrusts with a 10-pound ball. You can use kettlebells, you can use whatever weight you have around. I do 3 sets of 12 reps. It's just basically like a sitting squat. And every exercise you do, you're always going to want to squeeze your butt as much as possible when you come up. And then the last exercise is the 30-pound deadlifts. Mia can't reach the floor too well, so she kind of bends her knees a little bit more than I do, but you're just going to want to kind of lift some pressure off, stay at a right angle, pull up, and squeeze in.
Alright guys, that was it for my workout routine. I hope that it helped you. I am by no means a professional, nor do I have the forms down packed, as you guys can tell by like how I was doing it. I've been going to the gym for like a month now, so I hope it helped you guys out. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday, and to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and to follow all my social media. It will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. And let me know what kind of workouts or more informational videos you guys might be interested in seeing. And that's gonna be all. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.